Hi everyone, welcome to opportunitynearme.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the right skill, training, or certification on our platform, one that can actually shape your career and future. There are usually three types of learners who visit our platform. Let's explore each one. If you already know what you want, the fastest way is to use the search bar. For example, let's say you are looking for a front-end development. Type front end in the search bar and you will instantly see courses like Angular and React.js. From here, you can click into the course details and choose the one that fits your goals. If you know the field you want to enter, but you are unsure which course to choose, for example, you know you want to become a data analyst, but aren't sure which program is best, you can simply head to the domain section, click on data analytics, and you will see all the related programs listed together. This way, you can explore different options and pick the right course for your journey. If you are someone who isn't sure what skill or course to choose, no problem. You can go to the top certification and courses page. Here you will find all available courses across the platform. Just scroll until something catches your interest. And to make it even easier, we have filters on the left side. For example, search for a keyword like Python. Adjust the slider for a course duration. Maybe you only want shorter programs under 40 hours. Select training type, internship, industrial training, or a certification program. Even filter by domain, like technical, non-technical, or both. This way, you can narrow down your choices and find the course that's right for you. Once you find a course, for example, Python Programming Essentials, just click on it. You will be taken to the course details page. We will talk about this page in detail in our next video. So stay tuned. So whether you know exactly what you want, you are exploring your options, or you are just starting your journey, opportunitynearme.com makes it easier and simple to find the right training or certification for you. Go ahead, explore the platform, and discover your perfect course today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what kind of skill you would like to learn next. See you in the next video. Bye bye.